Landmark ruling, SCA declares government contracts without appropriated funds unlawful. In a landmark ruling that could reshape fiscal accountability in government contracts, the Supreme Court of Appeal, SCA, has declared that South African government departments cannot legally enter into contracts that exceeds the budget appropriation for specific services. This decision underscores the necessity of rigorous financial oversight and could have significant implications on public spending discipline. The appeal in question involved Zeal Health Innovations and the South African Department of Defense and Military Veterans. Initially, the contract, amounting to $198 million over 3 years, was awarded to Zeal Health for providing healthcare and wellness services to military veterans. However, funding complications arose when the department overspent the budget appropriated initially, leading to accrued liabilities without due coverage. Acting Judge Gerald Blom emphasized that such actions were not only unconstitutional, but rendered the contracts outright invalid. Citing the Public Finance Management Act, PFMA, which mandates that departments should not commit to spending beyond the allocated budget, the judgment lays a clear framework to forestall fiscal mismanagement. Notably, during the contractual period from June 2015 to May 2018, Zeal Health had already commenced the provision of services, but faced financial backlash when the department failed to make payments due to budget exhaustion. Consequently, Zeal Health pursued legal action to recoup payments for services provided, urging an urgent need to resolve fiscal indiscipline within government departments. Interestingly, the appeal revealed intricate details such as the awarding of the tender with known budgetary constraints from the onset. The initial budget for the healthcare services, at the end of June 2015, stood at a mere R$34.2 million, starkly underscoring the impracticality of a R$198 million tender. Adjustments were later made to increase the budget to R$218.2 million for the period extending from 2016 to 2019. Yet, disparities between projected service costs and actual budget allocations continued to surface. This legal contest highlighted ongoing challenges within multiple departments, notably the Eastern Cape Departments of Public Works and Infrastructure and Health, which have consistently struggled with financial management and faced several litigations due to unpaid contracts. The SCA ultimately ruled that while the commitment by the former Acting Director General was indeed unlawful, Zeal Health, as a third-party service provider unaware of the internal fiscal misalignments, should still receive compensation for already rendered services. The final amount, however, remains under determination, reflecting an ongoing judicial process set to resolve this contentious financial overshoot. This judgment does not only bring to light the underlying chronic underfunding of some departments, such as the Department of Defense, but also initiates a potential restructuring of budgetary processes within government entities. Moreover, with the armed forces often deployed in operations without appropriate financial appropriation, as seen in instances in the DRC and Mozambique, the ruling could enforce stricter budgetary adherence that aligns operational mandates with fiscal realities. The implications of this ruling are profound, charting a course toward enhanced accountability and governance within South African public finance management. It is a clarion call for all governmental sectors to prioritize budgetary compliance and uphold constitutional mandates, ensuring every contract entered aligns with the appropriated financial scopes dictated by law. Thank you for choosing Satori News.